When you think you're done, totally done, you have at least five more reps, okay? The secret or the mentality should be, forget the machines when you first start. Do the squat. It's the hardest thing in the world to do the squat. This is balance and control and it's scary. But that's why it's so effective, okay? The hardest things are usually the best. If it's easy, leave it to somebody else, okay? Nothing left. Nothing left. Nothing's like squats. I mean, it's like nothing compares to squats. You can do leg presses, but why? Why do an inferior movement? Why do a movement that looks good, but it produces hardly any results? There's a reason people don't squat. It's hard. It's hard. People don't want what's hard. They want what's easy, what looks showy. Forget about it. Failure has been achieved. Thank God. Now, the only place to go from failure is to win. You have to achieve failure. You have to take it that far. Nobody wants to go that far. It's too scary. But you know something? I got news for you. That's where winning is. It always has been. Nothing's changed since the 70s. Nothing. Except people train not as hard.